Hi Madeline, I am in the English course right now, the American Literature course, and I'm going to show you what I see on my end when you look at the calendar, and then if you could just tell me if this is what you see. So I'm going to go to class plan here and click on go to calendar. All right, and you can see here for the week of October 8th this week, everything that we're doing is right here on here. Like today it says complete 10.9 Declaration of Independence, play, pause it. October 10th it says complete checkpoint quiz. Tells you this exit ticket is going to close on the 11th, and on the 12th it says complete 10.12 free write. So I haven't posted for the whole month. I usually am not that far ahead. It depends on how students are doing in class. But everything is there, and I didn't post it yesterday at 2. So first let me know if this is what you see, and then we'll figure out if it's not, how to take it from there.